Bonjour, Madame and Monsieur! Welcome back to a Kitchen Advisor channel. Today we're making a tour to France. You will have a chance to taste the traditional French onion soup with crispy garlic toasts, white wine and Comté cheese. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. The inspiration for this recipe came from a chef named Rockin Raffi's home cooking. Slice the onions. Select Sauté program and set mode indicator to more. Adjust time to 30 minutes. When inner pot is hot, add butter and olive oil. Now it's time to add the main ingredient, onion. Season it with salt. Mix it well, cook it for about 25 minutes until it is caramelized. Pour a cup of dry white wine, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, deglaze the bottom, mix it thoroughly again. Add flour, beef broth, rosemary, thyme, bay leaves, and mix it well. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select Soup Broth program, choose high pressure and less mode indicator. Now set time to 10 minutes. When time is up, make a quick release. When the lid comes off, season with black and cayenne pepper. Add a few leaves of sage and mix it well again. Add the minced garlic and olive oil into a small bowl. Spread this tasty mixture over the bread. Apply it generously on both sides. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and let the bread toast for 15 minutes until it is golden brown. Ladle the soup in some oven-proof bowls and top them with the bread and cheese. For the real French taste, use Comté cheese. Also, you may ladle the soup into the pots with lids. No doubt it will bring more taste and flavor. Preheat the oven to 430 Fahrenheit. Place the bowls and pots into the oven for another 10 minutes or until the cheese melts and it's bubbly and golden brown. Voila! Classic French onion soup is ready now. Treat yourself with a glass of good wine. Bon appétit! Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new at our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Check our website akitchenadvisor.com for more yummy and easy instant pot recipes.